Welcome to your inspirational stories and encouragement channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring stories of resilience, faith, success, and triumph. Our goal is to inspire you, uplift your spirit, ignite your passion for growth, and help you to thrive and succeed in your personal and professional life. This New Year edition is dedicated to empowering you to face this year head-on with confidence, resilience, and determination, helping you stay focused and committed to achieving your 2025 goals. To maximize the use of the stories, ensure you watch everyone to the end. Don't attempt to terminate any halfway. Each story has its unique message. No two stories are the same. They are just 5 to 6 minute videos, except for a few that are more. To achieve that, create time to watch them, then sit back, relax, and get the message. Let the stories inspire you to take action. Most importantly, don't miss the encouragement part. That is the icing on the cake. We called it the bottom pot, where the ingredients settled. It is here in the encouragement part that we bring out the hidden treasures and gems in the story for you to run with. So, be patient and watch to the end. One more thing, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. From my heart to yours, love and gratitude. Titus Ogbeter Ray. And now, today's story, titled, The Power of Resilience, a story of courage, determination, and triumph in the quiet town of Maplewood. A young woman named Emily stood at the crossroads of her life. As the new year of 2023 approached, she felt a sense of hope in the air but also an overwhelming uncertainty. Emily had worked hard for years to build her career, only to face several setbacks that left her feeling defeated. There had been moments when her dreams seemed so far out of reach, when she wondered if all her sacrifices had been in vain. The pressure of balancing her personal life and career had worn her down, and there were days when she considered giving up. But as the new year dawned, Emily made a powerful decision. She would not let her circumstances define her future. She decided to embrace the challenges she had faced and view them not as obstacles but as lessons and opportunities for growth. She reminded herself that the strength she needed to succeed wasn't something external, it was within her. No matter how many times life knocked her down, she was determined to rise again. Emily began by revisiting her goals. She broke them down into smaller, more manageable steps, which gave her a renewed sense of control. Rather than focusing on everything at once, she took it one day at a time. She leaned into her faith, trusting that every struggle was shaping her for something greater. The doubts that had once consumed her were replaced with a quiet confidence. She sought out mentors who could guide her and surrounded herself with supportive friends who believed in her when she struggled to believe in herself. With each passing day, Emily began to see small victories. She learned to embrace failure as a necessary part of growth, rather than a sign of defeat. Every no she received in her career became a stepping stone towards the right opportunity, and every challenge she faced helped her develop resilience and determination that made her stronger. Slowly but surely, she started to rebuild her confidence, and opportunities began to open up. She landed a project that aligned with her true passions, and as she poured her heart into it, she found herself growing not just professionally but personally as well. By the end of 2023, Emily had achieved the success she had always dreamed of. But more than that, she had learned the true meaning of resilience. She realized that success wasn't simply about reaching her goals, it was about the journey itself. It was about learning to trust in herself and her abilities, even when the path ahead seemed unclear. It was about embracing the ups and downs and knowing that every experience, whether good or bad, was a stepping stone towards the person she was meant to become. Here is my encouragement for you from today's story, beloved. If you're watching this video today, know that you are capable of greatness. Your journey may not be easy, but it is yours, and every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. You may encounter setbacks, disappointments, and moments of doubt, but do not let those define you. Every time you rise after falling, you build resilience. Every time you push through fear and doubt, you step closer to the success you are destined for. The key to thriving is persistence. Stay committed to your vision, even when the road gets tough. Trust that every setback is simply a lesson, and every challenge is a chance for you to develop the strength and wisdom that will carry you forward. The new year offers a fresh beginning, and there is no better time to believe in yourself and take bold steps toward your dreams. In this year 2025, choose to embrace resilience and have faith in your own potential. No dream is too big, and no obstacle is too great. With hard work, determination, and a belief in your ability to overcome, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The best is yet to come. Keep moving forward and trust the journey. You will succeed. I hope you are inspired by today's New Year story and learned some valuable lessons from it. Thank you for watching. If today's story resonated with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbeto Ray. Shalom. You will succeed in 2025. It is your year.